built for the toughest challenges, combining strength, speed, and stability to master large part machining. With a turning capacity of 1,250 millimeters, swings of 1,350 millimeters, and a load of 5,000 kilograms, it handles oversized components with ease. 12,000 Newton-meters spindle torque ensures unmatched performance in heavy load machining. The milling spindle reaches 2,000 RPM, powered by a 15-kilowatt motor with a BT50 tool holder, delivering fast, versatile, and precise machining. High-torque spindle with Z-axis integration enables complete multi-process machining in a single setup. The machine are redefining performance and precision for large part manufacturing with complete heavy-duty solutions for bearings, pumps, cylinders, and structural parts. We are your partner for providing excellent returns on investment with special metalworking solutions.